What's the meaning of bedtime? Bedtime. Bedtime.
Bedtime. Bedtime. Bedtime refers to the time at which a person goes to bed or the habitual time for going to bed. It is the designated hour or time of the day when an individual decides to wind down and prepare for sleep by getting into bed. For most people, bedtime has a routine consisting of preparing for sleep by taking a shower, brushing teeth, and changing into pajamas. This routine signals the body to begin to relax and prepares the mind for sleep. A consistent bedtime routine can lead to better quality sleep and improved health outcomes such as increased energy levels and concentration during the day.